Okay, here we are at 223 the terrace. Just going to pull back. There's a little bit of root structure there. Just going to come back because we found a break in the drain. Now, where we've just come through on that connection, that was actually just outside the boundary there. Okay, here we are. Here you can see a bit of a crack in the pipe there. That's right where it turns. We're going to pull back. This is where we hit a big root structure just there. So we're going to try and clean this up a little bit more. But you can see just there, this is where it's broken. So that will be starting to give way. We're thinking that's where the branch is maybe pushing, or the tree is pushing on the drain. So we're just going to mark this out where it is, and just come back to this. So there's your root structure there, as you can see. The rest of the drain and all the bits and pieces, all the fat and stuff down there. The drain tends to just, it falls a little bit back so it gets to here. Okay. Just confirming where we are on the property. Right. Thank you.